I'm going to teach you how to do Scratch. So let us get started. First, get Scratch. I'm getting Scratch 3. Now, first you'll see a Scratch. You see the Scratch character. So you have to remove it. Move, you go. Move. There you go. Now take backdrop. Means the backdrop of the place where the person is. Yeah, like that. So I'm going to choose my backdrop. Oh my god, there are so many things. I do not think I can choose. So I guess I will choose this blue sky. Now we need a sprite. You saw that cat sprite, right? So choose a sprite. Now I am taking Ben. Okay, let's take a Ben. Now let's make Ben stand. Go to the costumes area and make him stand. Here you go. We made him stand. Now let's say, hi, this is my first Scratch project. Let's do that. But first of all, we need to make him we have to make him start, right? Seeing it. So go to the events area and take when green flag is clicked. Then go take the looks area and say hello. Okay, take this small block and say hello. This is my first Scratch project. This is my first Scratch project. Scratch projects. Okay, Scratch. Okay. Project. Okay. Now he have done it, folks. Let's see what he says. So when the green flag is clicked, so we have to click it if you want him to say. Now let's put another character. Choose another character. Let's put Casey. Now they both are the same size, right? Oh, actually Casey is a little shorter. So let's take the size area and let's put her to 150. Okay, that's too big. What about 110? 110. There you go. They both are the same size. Now let's make Casey say, it's my too. Okay, let's make her say, it's my too. Let's make her like this. It's mine too. Okay, I'm going to take when green flag is clicked, like Ben, and put mine too. Mine too. Let's see. But they're saying at the same time. So let's put a wait block. Take the choosing area and take control. I'm going to take wait how much seconds. Then I'm going to put wait 2 seconds. Because guys, actually I think it's better if you take these 2 seconds. Because then, or how much seconds you want. If you want 3 seconds to say it or 4 seconds, just put it. Then it will come that much seconds. So look. See? Now Casey and Ben are saying it together. We have finished our first Scratch project, guys. Good job. And see more of my fun gamer videos. This is the first one and watch out for more of them.